Welcome back to Keto Journey. I'm Mike, your reformed fat man. Well, I don't know about y'all, but I hate to waste produce. So I'm going to show you how you can get fresh produce and make it last longer for you. And it doesn't include keeping it in this bag. So stick around and I'm going to show you how you prep it. How you can make this into salad. This is just hearts of romaine. And we can get it romaine hearts, whatever you want to call it. There's 3 of them. I'm going to show you how you make it last a little longer for you. So stick around, see how we do it. Okay, I've already prepped this and washed it and dried it, got it dry. So what we're going to do is cut the tail off. Then we're going to come down like this and just cut them that way, moving them around the entire way, and then come down here and slice it like this and go up to toward the end with it. And you can see these are manageable sized pieces here. So that's how we cut it up. So what we're going to do to make it last is I've got a container here, airtight container. I'm putting a paper towel in here just like that. Let's finish getting this all sliced up. This is hard, folks. This hand's hurting, but it's got to get done. Get that out of the way, and that is it right there for it. And we're going to put this into here just like that. Break these little small pieces up that weren't cut. You will have a few that show up that weren't cut, but it won't be very many if you do it this way. And then you're ready to do the other 2. So we'll pull them out. If you see any bad pieces, then it's lettuce. It happens. Just take it off. And that's all that I see. So let's take it and go around like that. Now we bunch it together again. Oh man, I'm telling you people, this is really, really painful. So I'm doing the best I can. For those that don't know, I have a bad hand right now. It will get better. I had surgery on it for Dupuytren's contracture, and the surgery was just about a month ago now. And I am still recovering, and it's very tender in there. Although it is much better than it was. Transfer these over. Don't go away, because there's more to this process that I hadn't shown you yet. So if you leave now, you're going to miss out on the best part. It helps it more than anything else and at the end, and that's vital to get this to last. I washed that. Obviously it was just a bad piece there that got on it. About done here with this. There you have it. Now, let's get this into the container. And I'm going to show you some broccoli after we get this done. And you're ready to just scoop you out some and have a salad when you want it. Pull it out. You don't have to cut it up. Your salad's all prepped. So now, we've got a paper towel in the bottom. So we're going to put us a paper towel in the top. Just like that. And what it'll do is it'll soak up moisture and keep it from getting too much moisture in there. Going south on us before we want it to. Got my lid here. Get the burp. Ooh, did a good job of putting that in. Didn't have to burp it much. There you have it. So next comes the broccoli. Let's get the broccoli out. And what we're going to try and do is cut it into small enough pieces where we don't have to do that and get rid of any bad spots that's on the broccoli, because it happens. It does happen. And we're going to pack it the same way. So, like this right here, we'll cut that piece off. We'll cut that off. I got to get a smaller knife. This one kind of overkill. It's like going bear hunting with mosquito hunting with a bear rifle or a deer rifle. So, but we'll cut that off. We'll store it the same way. We'll trim these up, make them small enough pieces to work with, so you don't have gigantic pieces. Let's see if I see one of these gigantic pieces in here. These are cut up pretty good in here, so I may not have any gigantic pieces. So, but anyway, I'm gonna get them prepped, so we'll be ready to go with them. So until next time, this is Mike at Keto Journey saying, let's be careful out there.